In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate on Google Docs. If you've ever dropped an image into your document and wished it were angled just a bit to match your layout or style, this is a quick built-in way to make that happen without any extra tools. First, bring your attention to the image you want to adjust. Go ahead and click the image inside your document. This simple click is important because it tells Google Docs exactly which item you want to work with. When the image is selected, you'll notice a blue outline appear around it with small blue squares at the corners and edges. That visual cue confirms you're in the right place. If you don't see the outline, try clicking the image again to make sure it's selected. Now look just above the image. You'll see a small blue circular handle sitting slightly above the top edge, usually centered. That little circle is your rotation handle. It may have a slim line connecting it to the image, and when you move your mouse over it, your cursor may change to indicate that you can rotate. The appearance of this handle is your green light that you're ready to adjust the angle. Next, place your cursor directly on that blue circular handle. Click and hold. While holding, drag your mouse gently to the left or to the right. As you move, watch the image rotate in real time on the page. Dragging to the right will turn it one way, dragging to the left will turn it the other way. You don't need to move very far to see a noticeable change. Small, steady movements will give you smooth, controlled rotation. Keep your eyes on how the image lines up with the surrounding text, margins, or other elements in your document. When the image looks just the way you want it, simply release the mouse button to set the new angle. If the rotation looks slightly off after you let go, no worries. Just click the image again to bring back the blue outline and that same circular handle, then repeat the click and drag motion to fine-tune it. The process is the same each time. Select the image, find the blue circular handle above it, then click and drag left or right until the angle feels right. And that's all there is to it. With a single click to select, a glance to locate the blue circular handle, and a simple click and drag, you can rotate any image in Google Docs and make your document look more polished and intentional.